Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's extract the custard apple pulp. Take your custard apple and gently scoop out all the flesh. You'll need 400 milliliters. Remove all the black seeds carefully. They can be quite sneaky. You'll know you've got all the seeds when the pulp feels completely smooth between your fingers. Now, let's create our creamy base by blending the custard apple pulp with 200 milliliters of cream and 100 grams of castor sugar. Blend until the mixture becomes completely smooth. You shouldn't see any lumps or grainy texture. The consistency should be like a thick smoothie. By the way, since many of you ask about this blender that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time to enrich our mixture. Add 250 milliliters of fresh cream, 1/4 cup of milk powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. These ingredients will give our ice cream that professional, creamy texture. Mix until everything is well combined. The mixture should look uniform and silky. Here's where we can get creative. If you want extra richness and texture, blend in 1 cup of whipping cream and 4 crushed Marie biscuits. The biscuits add a lovely subtle crunch that makes this ice cream special. You'll know you've crushed them right when the pieces are about the size of small peas. Pour your mixture into an ice cream maker if you have one, or into a freezer-safe container if you don't. Make sure to leave a little space at the top as the mixture will expand slightly when freezing. The container should be wide and shallow rather than deep for easier stirring later. Now comes the important part, preventing those pesky ice crystals. Every 30 minutes, take the container out and give the mixture a good stir. You'll need to do this about 3 to 4 times. You'll know you're on the right track when the edges start to freeze but the center is still soft. For an extra creamy texture, you can take the partially frozen ice cream out, whip it until smooth, and return it to the freezer. This step breaks down any ice crystals that might have formed. The mixture should look glossy and smooth after whipping. Finally, when you're ready to serve, transfer the ice cream to the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes to soften. You'll know it's at the perfect serving temperature when your ice cream scoop glides through smoothly. The texture should be creamy and scoopable, not rock hard. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye.